And your political rhetoric is undermining businesses in Kenya, and we shall not allow you to make Kenya a failed state. That's the message the Kenya Private Sector Alliance had for the politicians across the political divide as they count losses owing to fear by investors now and uncertainty. Hudhaifa Aden has more details on this uncertainty.
Executives drawn from the private sector are now taking a tougher stance against political leaders as they warn them of a harmful political rhetoric, saying they have a duty to speak out when their actions threaten the country's economic well-being. The business community blamed politicians for charged rallies and taking hardline positions that scare away investors, while calling for all parties to respect independent institutions.
First, we would demand that you be civil to each other and to Kenyans. 2, let the presidential election rerun take place at its due time. 3rd, respect our independent institutions.
The uncertainty over the repeat presidential election has led to many businesses taking a wait-and-see approach, leading to a slowdown in some sectors.
Our experience from 2007, 2008, when shops and the offices were looted, nobody wanted to hold stocks. So what tended to happen is we were coming towards the election, everybody held back. So you're looking at order books being soft all the way from July, August. Now we're heading into October, and the books are still pretty soft. You know, if you look at the real estate sector, of course that has slowed down, meaning the steel and construction industry, manufacturers are affected.
Tourism, which has registered a strong recovery, pointing to what some analysts project will be the better numbers seen since 2007, one of the best years for tourism, has also seen decline following the August 8th election.
So today or yesterday they've cancelled one of the conference that was supposed to come to Nairobi. That is meetings, incentive, conferencing. And that is unfortunate because it means that not only are we going to have empty beds, we're also going to have farmers who are going to be affected. Everybody who benefits from tourism is going to be affected.
The United Nations Programme on HIV and AIDS is said to have cancelled a planned Global Prevention Coalition meeting that was set to take place in Nairobi next week, citing political tensions in the country. The country has for the past few years emerged as a leading conference tourism destination owing to high-profile conferences including the World Trade Organization Ministerial Conference and United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, which was held last year. Hudhaifa Aden, NTV.